Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe. Help me, support me by subscribing. Thank you. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. Remember there's invisible times here. 3 times 7 is what? 21. 21 divided by 21 is equals to what? 1. But this answer is not correct. According to BODMAS, order of operation, we have to solve what is inside the bracket first. So 6 plus 1 is what? 7. Times. Remember there's times here. 3 divided by what? 21. Now that we have gotten to this point, what do? We have to first of all divide, because division comes before what? Multiplication. So 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 is what? 7. 7 times 7 is what? 49. This is our final answer. So our final answer is what? 49.